Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
Well, it's been unusual for us. We usually post videos every single week, and we've been doing that for years. It has been a while since we posted. Unfortunately, we both came down with COVID. We are all now perfectly okay. Today we've got a short video, but we wanted to show you.
And look, we got this.
Okay, the truth is, this is not really from YouTube. We made it ourselves with our typical wood and epoxy. We thought it was fitting. This is something that we thought would be kind of fun to do on our own. We've been looking forward to this. We weren't sure this was ever going to happen, but we did hit 10,000 subscribers recently.
We'd like to thank each and every one of you from the bottom of our hearts. We really, truly appreciate it, and it's been such a blessing. We would never have thought we had got this far.
Well, I too would like to thank everybody. This was a dream come true. We thought 1,000 was something that we would never ever get to. We managed to get to that, and now just to think that it actually went to 10,000. We've looked up some stats, and we are pretty highly ranked for YouTube as far as subscribers, and I never ever imagined we would get that high. So anyhow, I too wish to thank you. It really means a lot to us. We're going to now set a goal for 20,000. And maybe someday we'll hit the 1,000 where YouTube will actually send us a real plaque.
100,000 actually.
I'm sorry. So next week we're going to get back into our DIY projects. Just before we got COVID, we were actually spent 2 weeks in Japan. We went to a couple workshops while we were there, and we made some items. We recorded things, so we're going to go ahead and make those into some videos. We have some projects that we actually finished before we went to Japan, and a few things that we finished when we got back while we were struggling to get over COVID. Instead of sitting in the bed all day long, we did a few things here and there. So we'll go ahead and get back into those and post those. But again, we just wanted to say thank you. We wanted this video to be sincere just specifically for this and not just an add-on to some other video. We thank you very much for supporting us for all these years, and we hope to continue to see you. So until next week, bye-bye.